ham and cheese toast. But we need to have ingredients. The ingredients are bread, ham and cheese, and butter. We have utensils.
Cutlery.
That is it.
Knife, but
That is
in
a
general.
knife and the toaster. The recipe is the next.
First, we cook the bread.
Then we spread the butter on the bread.
Next, we add the jam and the cheese in the side of bread. You know, so we put the cheese like this.
After that, we toaster the toast.
We put the toast like this.
Finish.
We need to wait for some minutes to later to serve.
Okay, excellent. Clap